Welcome to Excel Champ. This lesson is on slicers. Slicers are a way to filter your pivot table in a more presentable manner. So here we have our sample data set, which includes order date, region, rep, items sold, number of units sold, the unit sales price, and sale amount. So we're going to take this, highlight our data, and just create our pivot table. We're going to create this in a new worksheet. When we do that, we see our pivot table base here and all of our fields on the right. So we're just going to bring in region, item, we're going to have the sum of units and the sum of our sales amount. Let's just change this to currency. And then say we want to create a slicer on our rep. So what we're going to then do is go up to our top ribbon, make sure we click on the Pivot Table Analyze option. Then we're going to click Insert Slicer. We want this on rep. So we're going to check off rep, and when we do that, it's going to create our slicer box. Now, right now we have every rep highlighted in our slicer. But say we want to look at only our rep Gil. So we're just going to click on Gil, and then it will filter your pivot table based on Gil's data. As we go down the list, we can see our pivot table changes based on what we're filtering in our slicer. If we want more than one rep, we're just going to hold down the Control key. And then we can click on the rest of our reps, and it will filter based on our selection there. If we want multiple slicers, say we also want to bring in a slicer for our items, we could also do that on the pivot table fields on the right side here. We just right click on item and say add a slicer. It's going to bring in another slicer for us. The default is to have everything highlighted. Say we want to take out all of our triangles that were sold. So we're going to hold down Control. Let's get rid of triangle. Now we see our filter will take out anything based on our slicer. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Excel content.